Dreamworld starts here. I have a tiny camera next to my bed. In this case, it's a GoPro that was donated to me quite recently. But I, in the past, have had other models of cameras next to my bed. It could be your phone, although I find phones fairly distracting in many regards. I'm not sure a phone should even be near your bed, but in any case, the tools don't matter. The point is you have a dream world that you're in every night, and it has riches available for you. But to access those riches, you have to be able to enter your dreams, to remember them. One of the tools I use is to have this camera next to my bed. I'm already waking up now because as soon as I woke up and was aware that I just had an interesting dream, and the truth is that dream had already started to give me a series of ideas, and so I picked my camera up and I said, dream journal, the date. And you don't actually even have to have the date. I try and do that, but sometimes I don't know what day it is, so don't get hung up on that. And just say your dream into the camera. So step one is accessing your dream into your dreams by increasing your dream recall. And to do that, record your dream. Don't try and analyze the dream while you're saying it. Just say what you remember. Start it, even if you have to say, I remember this part, this was that. Don't even say I remember, just say I was here. This was happening. Oh, before that, this happened. So it doesn't have, I mean, sometimes it's disjointed. That's okay. Just tell it as best you can, as straight you can. And you'll find your own experiences doing this. You'll collect dreams. You don't have to publish these. You can be totally honest. If you do publish them, you are letting people into some fairly intimate parts of your life. So I would be cautious in doing that. But I publish some of them online. And some of them I think are definitely very useful to me. So let's do an exploration of the dream world and how we can access that and use it to better our lives.